So, good evening, everyone. Um, I am Michael Gentospus and I'm one of the reporters of Agricultural Arts. And my topic this evening is planting and or growing vegetables. So, what comes into your mind when we hear this topic or planting vegetables? All right. Okay, so some of you might think that this topic is boring, right? Or maybe some of you would say that this topic is less interesting. So within this topic, I will be discussing to you the concepts about vegetable gardening, the steps in planting and growing vegetables, and the third one, the importance of planting vegetables or vegetable gardening. So let's start. Um, Concept about vegetable gardening. So, vegetable gardening is becoming more popular both as pastime and a food source. So, of course, this act or this activity is something that most people do as pastime and as a source of food. We experience satisfaction planting a seed or transplant, watching it grow to maturity, harvesting the fruit of our labors. So, and in addition, vegetable gardening offers a good source of exercise. They added benefits, healthy snacks, and food for the table. So, this time we will be learning quite a few but important steps in planting and growing vegetables. So, the first one is to choose the right location. So choose a location for the garden that has plenty of sun. So I think it is very self-explanatory now where sunlight helps the plant or the vegetable to grow. Ample space and close proximity to your host or water source. So importante sad ang ato ang location nga atong gi-choose for our garden is kanang duol sa ato ang water source. And find a level area to help prevent erosion. Number 2, select your vegetables. So decide what produce to include based on your climate, space and taste and level of expertise. So mostly in our tropical climate, lisod pod og mag-choose ta og mga vegetables nga dili possible nga mabuhi sa ato nga mga lugar. So it's important to decide what produce to include based on your climate, space and tastes, and most especially level of expertise. So newcomers may want to consider some of the easier crops to grow. For example, carrots, beans, cucumbers, peppers, and lettuce. But most of these kay accessible for the katong much cooler climate. The third one, prepare the soil. So mix compost and natural fertilizers into your garden to condition the soil for your plants. Well, of course, garden supply stores can test the acidity of your soil and recommend supplements of your or you can simply purchase specially made soil in bulk. So, at home pwede ka nga mag-prepare o gimuha nga kanang soil for your plants, and also naa say mga people or businessmen nga nag-sell og mga ready to use nga mga soil na nga enriched with fertilizers. Number 4, check planting dates. So growing conditions and ripening cycles are different depending on the plant and the season. So you should not sow all the seeds at the same time. Planting dates can be found on seed packets. So naanay guide and katong naay uban nga mga katong mapalit nga mga sachet nga nanatoy mga guide kanus ana to pwede nga itanom mga to ang mga seeds. So review the ideal conditions for each vegetable if you want to plant before creating a gardening schedule. So number 5, plant the seeds. Of course, sa man na to pagkon if dili na to itanom. Place your seeds or plants into the soil, following the depth and spacing directions carefully. So I think this is very self-explanatory, no? And I know some of you are familiar with those people who have green hands nga dali ra gyud ang pagpatubo sa ilha ang mga tanom, di ba? And number 6, add water. Gently spray the garden with water to keep the soil evenly moist throughout the growing season. Or you can purchase a spray nozzle for your hose so you can create gentle rain-like mist for your garden. So, if sa atoa, pwede man tayo magbuburan no nga hinay-hinay. But you can also kanang purchase these materials to help your planting schedules. So, number 7, keep the weeds out. So, I know everyone is familiar with mulching, no? Mulching is the most effective way to prevent weeds. Add a 2 to 4 inch thick layer of organic mulch to your garden to keep the weeds from overtaking your crops. So, if weeds do appear in the garden, grab them low on their stems and yank sharply, making sure to extract the entire root. So, if naaway makita nga mga weeds that are not really the plants nga imuha nga gitanom, so you can uproot them. Dapat ibut yun ang hasta ang iyaha nga mga roots para dili na siya mobalik. And number 8, give your plants room to grow. Check the spacing guide on the seed packets and be sure to remove crowded seedlings right away. Number 9, fertilize as needed. Lightly till the soil by hand and add fertilizer to keep it rich. Mga uban kay ila as they take good care of their plants or the vegetables that they have planted, kanang namon na gitawag no nga kanang ilaha nga gunahan gamay sa ilaha nga mga gitanom. For the plant pod, for the soil nga mas mahumok siya and would be beneficial for the vegetables that you have planted. And number 10, and the most exciting part, reap what you sow. So, harvest vegetables when they're young and tender, but only pick them when you plan to use them. Pull root crops as soon as they reach edible size. Lisod pud no imuha nga kanang i-harvest if dili pa siya pwede makaon. And collect leaf crops by cutting them within 2 inches of the ground. And finally, enjoy your harvest. So now we are being acquainted with the steps as to how we plant our vegetables. Now let us move on to the importance and benefits of vegetable gardening. So there are countless benefits of growing your own fruits and vegetables. So let's have a highlight on vegetables. And we have the essential reasons why. If you are considering growing your own garden this season, the following will turn that consideration into a concrete plan. So the first one we have save money. So save money. So that's very essential as to how we consider planting our own vegetables or creating our own vegetable garden. So grocery shopping can be a bit challenging nowadays. So from supply chain disruptions to environmental changes, there are various reasons as to why produce prices have skyrocketed. And instead of going to the store, you can just pick your produce right at home. And number 2, less waste. So you ever go to store and buy a ton of produce just in case but never end up using it all? So nakasulay man maybe some of you nakatry nga nagpalit sa mga stores but somehow wala nila magamit tanan nga ilaha nga gipalit. So in this case, we know the answer is yes. We're all victims of it and you only have to pick what you need when you grow your own fruits and vegetables. So that's one benefit when considering planting your own vegetables. And number 3, fresh food. Everyone knows that fresh food tastes better But why? The answer, it is pick at peak ripeness and flavor. When you grow fruits and vegetables, you can choose your own perfect ripeness. Plus, homegrown produce does not endure rough shipping conditions to get to the shelf. So, this process affects flavor, texture, and amount of beneficial nutrients found in the fruit or vegetable. So, on the vegetables, no. So, not only does fresh produce make your food taste better, it is also more beneficial for the body. Well, of course, because fresh food does not require kanang preservatives or uh, additives or whatsoever. Number 4 is knowing where your food came from. Lisod po no. Kita man mismo may nangunay sa ato ang pagtanom, so kita mismo kahibaw ta asa nagikan ang ato ang pagkaon. Growing your own produce means you know exactly where or what it's been exposed to. There are a lot of unknowns when you buy from the store. Chemicals, ripening agents, preservatives, and the list goes on. You don't have to carefully examine a label when you pick a tomato from your tomato plant. So number 5, connection with nature. I know it may sound cliche, but you truly connect with nature when you dedicate time to growing your own garden. Whether you are caring for an herb garden indoors or a vegetable garden outside in the fresh air and sunshine. You learn about the natural processes that occur and gain a sense of appreciation when you watch your plants grow. So not to mention, nature is pretty beautiful and varying colors, textures, smells. All in all, it is so enjoyable. Want to improve your quality of life? Get your hands dirty and plant something. So if you want the precious produce possible, consider planting your own homegrown garden. So after all, you can't get any closer to your kitchen table than your own backyard. So I guess that's all. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something. And I will hand you over to the next reporter. This has been Michael Jan Puspus. Thank you.